Hello guys, good morning. Guys, ito na yung ating sisi guys. Ready to eat na siya. Yan na po yung ating finished product. Charot. Finished product. Oh guys, ayan guys. Talagang pulang-pula siya guys. Yan. Sili niya. Nilagyan ko po siya ng toppings na sibuyas. Guys, thank you for watching. Good morning. So, tikman natin guys. Tukwa pa lang. Ulam na. Wow. Pwede rin siyang pampulutan guys. Pwede rin pang ulam. Yummy. Yummy guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning. Have a nice day. Thank you po. Yan guys. Ready to eat na po tayo. Kain na po. Thank you po. Good morning po sa inyong lahat.